Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute, where if you give us just a couple minutes, we're going to give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. The question today is, who's going to lead that greatest growth market the world has ever known? Will it continue to be Microsoft, who's been number one on the Cloud Wars top 10 for about 3 years, or is fast-growing, high-flying AWS, currently number two, going to be able to overtake Microsoft based on the Q1 results that each will release later this month? For a long time, a lot of people have said that AWS is the dominant player in the cloud. That's just wrong, as we've said here many times. In the category of infrastructure, where AWS is definitely the category king, I think they're the undisputed leader there. They've done a terrific job. They've done some nice things with platform. But Microsoft's broad base that also extends into applications, from Dynamics 365, Power Platform, Teams, Microsoft 365, and so on like that. It's just so broad, so deep. And also Microsoft's cloud revenue a year ago at this time was 30% higher than that of AWS, much bigger, and it was growing faster. But AWS, since the return of Adam Selipsky back to the company, and Adam's been CEO now for almost a year, has turned the tables. And for 3 straight quarters, AWS has grown faster than Microsoft. So that means they're cutting into the lead that Microsoft had. It is huge momentum that AWS has. Last quarter, Q4, AWS reported a growth rate of 40%, which is staggering, and was much larger than what Microsoft reported for that same period of time, which means that this growth acceleration from AWS, they're closing the gap on number one. And a big thing about the Cloud Wars Top 10 is its momentum and growth rates that play a big part in driving the rankings. The return of Adam Selipsky, as I said, has been great. So what AWS needs to do in Q1, in my estimation, to be considered as the new number one in the Cloud Wars Top 10, they need to definitely grow faster than Microsoft by at least a couple points. They need to maintain that incredible 40% growth rate they showed in Q4, and they just need to keep closing the gap between it and Microsoft. So the great thing here is you've got, two incredibly big, powerful, capable, customer-focused companies slugging it out here to see who's going to be number one, and they're doing that by providing better and better and better capabilities and services and innovation and service to their customers. And that is the big thing about Cloud Wars, right? The competition among these phenomenal players. They're both being pushed from below by Google Cloud, which has been growing, between 45 and 54% throughout all of last year. So this competition is great. The results for customers are great, and we'll see what goes on here when these Microsoft and Amazon release their numbers later this month. But we'll see if Microsoft can hold on to the number one spot. Thanks for being with us here at Cloud Wars Minute. I hope you have a fantastic day.